What's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna be showing you my 2025 EDC pouch. This is a leather pouch by the brand Semender Leather Goods. If you're looking for this pouch, I'll post a link in the description. But full grain leather. So actually a really nice pouch. I got my last name engraved, and then it got their little logo on there. But this is what the outside looks like. Nice leather. Alright. So starting off, I guess let's start off with this Sharpie I have. Mini Sharpie. And then I'll go ahead and give you a quick tour before I start taking everything out. That way you guys get an idea of what it looks like. So in here I keep some dude wipes. I keep 2 set of extra small pliers in there. I got the 711L ratchet, Field Notes notebook, Swiss Army. This is 2 boxes of well, this right here is a Fisher Space Pen, box cutter, light, and then a multi-tool. And then in these pouches right here I have lens wipes. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So now I'll actually show you exactly what's in my bag. Alright, starting off, like I said, mini Sharpie, very handy. If it's inside, well, I don't have much room inside, so I just clip it onto the outside there. But yeah, mini Sharpie. Right here I got this Swiss Army. This is the National Park edition. This is actually brand new. Olympic Park. And this is what the front looks like. It's actually really nice. But this is just a classic. So yeah, I keep this in there. I keep this Gerber box cutter. Nice and slim. But yeah, I keep that in there. I keep this Olight flashlight. It came with a clip, but I took it off. Forget how many lumens it is. I think it's like 200. But yeah, keep a flashlight. This is my multi-tool. It is a Gerber multi-tool. Like I said, I'll have links to all these items in the description if you guys want to check them out. But this one, people already know about this one. It's pretty common. It's like a cheap but very nice multi-tool. What else do I have in here? Fisher Space Pen. Keep that in there. What else do we got? Like I said, I keep lens wipes in here, but I'm not gonna take all those out. So I have a mini Bic lighter in here. Very useful. Let's see what else do I have in here. I guess I'll start pulling these out. So we'll sit these right here. And where is it at? I'll go ahead and show you this one first, because I don't keep this one in a case. Okay, so as you can see, mini bit ratchet. This one's by the brand 711L. But it's pretty nice. Good quality. So you can see. Yeah. 711L. Should check them out. This is actually very useful. Alright. And then I guess we'll start off with this. This is actually the box that ratchet came in, but I keep it for I store bits and other extra. Let me get it open. Okay, so as you could see, I've got a decent amount of things in here. This right here is actually a little screwdriver. See if we could get that to focus in. Little screwdriver. I actually got this from a glasses repair kit. It's actually pretty nice. As you can see. So yeah, I keep that in there. I keep these two in there. Just mini screwdrivers. I got a bunch of bits. And then I got another I got a pin. So yeah, that's what I keep in this box right here. And then in this one, look at that. Looks nice. I keep my other 711L bit ratchet. So it's actually really nice. Could do a lot with this one. But yeah, I keep this in here. This was actually I got this for a pretty decent price. I got lucky and picked it up on sale. There we go. So I keep those two. This field notes with my flag on there, Chicago flag. But yeah, nice notebook. Alright, what else? I got some dude wipes in here. And then I got not one, but two extra small pliers. Here we go. So that's what I keep in here. There's one other item, or I forgot to show this right here. I keep a few pair of band-aids. But yeah, that is what I carry in my EDC bag, or EDC pouch. Actually fits a lot. You should check this this company out. Semender leather. Fits a lot, as you could tell. Alright, so this is everything I carry.